15,000 per month scholarship is sponsored to postgraduate students from Government of India. To know all the details about this scholarship, keep watching the video till the end. Hello everyone, today we are here to explore an incredible opportunity that is National Scholarship Program provided by Government of India. This scholarship has been designed to encourage the postgraduate education for Indian students by providing them the financial support. Here is what you need to know. 10,000 scholarships are awarded every year. Recipient receives 15,000 per month for 10 months of a year for the period of 2 years. A portion of these scholarships is reserved, that is 30% is reserved for a girl student, and the selection is based on the All India merit basis. This scholarship is for your first postgraduate degree only. This scholarship is not applicable for the students who already have the postgraduate degree in their hand. You must be admitted already in the first year of your post-graduation course under any recognized university or the institution. You must have not crossed the age limit of 30 while taking admission in the post-graduation course. This scholarship is applicable for the students only who have taken the admission for regular or full-time course. The scholarship covers the recognized postgraduate degree program specified under UGC. And the most important is your bank account must be linked with your Aadhaar card for the direct fund transfer. If you feel that this scholarship is not suitable for you, then you need not to worry. We have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. National Scholarship is available for the students who are pursuing their postgraduate program in institutionals including universities, institutions, colleges under the section of these. And institutions fully funded under the central and the state government are also eligible for this. Few more important points to note. You can avail only one scholarship at a time, and holding multiple scholarships simultaneously is not allowed. The scholarship is dispersed direct to the student's bank account. The selection is absolutely based on the merit, that is allocated based on the government's reservation policies. Renewals are possible for the students who have successfully completed their first year, but be cautious about change of your course of the studies or the institution may lead into a forfeiture your scholarship. The application process including the verification and the renewal is carried out through a national e-scholarship portal provided by the Government of India. In this process, your institution also plays a crucial role in processing your application. The National Scholarship Program for the postgraduate studies is a remarkable opportunity for the one who is pursuing their postgraduate education in India. Ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria and follow the application process diligently. This scholarship program aims to promote the postgraduate students and support them who are deserving. Best of luck for your scholarship journey. Let's help each and every student possible by sharing this video. Signing off, take care, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship.